Messages from nature. You are getting ready to bloom. You are getting ready to bloom. Next message, the skies are clearing. Clarity is yours. The skies are clearing. If you notice, it's very quiet. Listen. Stillness is what this is teaching, and quiet. This morning I came outside to listen to music and my speaker was dead. And that was an inner message and calling for quiet. And to just simply observe the atmosphere around you. Because nature always teaches, always. And the ground that we walk on, we have to continually connect with. Put your hands, put your feet on the ground. I'm not showing my feet because I need a pedicure. Put your hands and your feet regularly on the ground. In fact, if you can lie your body completely on the ground, and stay there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Just stay on the ground. Feel the magnetic field of the earth pulsing inwards, in towards your own body. If you're lying face down, imagine that the energy from the earth is moving upwards into your forehead area, your stomach, and your root chakra and your feet. Moving upwards, grounding, and also at the same time energizing. Grounding and energizing. So, messages from nature are all around us. Take, for instance, this tree. This is a mango tree about to start blooming. And there's no rush. Just like everything in nature, there's no rush. Same applies for you. Everything happens in its ordered time. You don't see the fruit right now, do you? You only see this. But in due time, the fruit will come. You can't rush what is not meant to be rushed. And the soil that the seeds that you're putting in the soil right now, this looks like nothing right now. Nothing. But do you know what's underneath? There could be 10 seeds underneath, but no one knows until the time that it's come for it to bloom into place. So essentially the messages here are that everything in its time. And then now I see the birds. And the bird is here to remind us to be free, to lighten our load. How do we do that? We lighten our load by letting go of what is not serving us mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically. And when you lighten your load, you're able to vibrate higher, you're able to rise higher, Just like the bird, you're able to see from a higher perspective. As you can see, this is a palm tree local to South Florida and other areas of the Americas and other places. And as you can notice that this palm is slightly bent. Why? Because it's been through the storm. But is it down? Is it dead? No. So like the palm tree, learn to bend and adapt. When you learn to bend and adapt in life, you're able to withstand the storms much better. We're walking, and what do we see? And we see a fork in the road. This is a message, not a teaching. This is a message of a fork in the road. You're now at the place where you have two choices, and as you can see, this choice leads to a higher place, and this one is shorter, and it just kind of cuts off here. It doesn't go any further. So one path leaves you a little bit higher, and it seems to go on for a longer period of time, and this path is shorter and cut off. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. Thank you. Love is here. Love is here. Thank you. Finally, the message from the cat, the black cat. And this animal teaches us about a rest, of preserving your energy for the right timing of things. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe, like, and share my video if you enjoy the content that I create from my heart space. Indigenous and Afro-Indigenous teachings, wisdom keeper of information, of culture, heritage, spirituality, tips for living life, and sharing this journey as souls having human experiences. I send you off with blessings, with wellness, with peace, with health, with joy, with abundance, with love. Thank you, and have a blessed one.